Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you using the Booking.com app and want to see prices in your local currency? In this video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to change the currency setting inside the app so you can book your stays with clarity and confidence. Let's get started. First, open the Booking.com app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located in the top or bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Device Preferences. Now, tap on Currency. You'll see a full list of available currencies. Scroll through the list and select the currency you prefer. That's it. The app will now display all prices in the currency you chose. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide made things easier for you. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.